Good evening, or should I say good morning, because it's late again. Y'all know the drill. Got off work. Should have filmed one earlier. Now it's late. Even kind of spookily late. That's right, y'all. Another Halloween poem. Between Halloween and Bonfire Night by Roddy Lumsden. If you want to look how he spelled Halloween. Halloween. Kind of country. Sounds like upstate New York. Just then, encountering my ruddy face in the grand piano's cold black craquelure, it conjured the jack-o'-lantern moon dipping up over the roofs of the Tenderloin. Only when I have done with the myths, the inner spill that triggers us to flame, breast so sensitive a moment's touch, will call down fever, the dark sea lane. Between limbic squall and the heart's harbor, will I picture you just beyond innocence, lying stripped by a thrown wide window, letting the cool breeze convey your ardor. Thanks, Roddy. Perhaps not the most Halloween vibe, or maybe I'm just misinterpreting it. Maybe I'll come back to it, Roddy. I liked it, though. Y'all have a good Thursday. Thursday's always a cool day of the week. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's like Thursday's like having a substitute teacher. You know, it's like it's not free period, but you also don't have like the main teacher. You know, it's kind of cool. I had a good day. Called with my sister. That was good. Had work and stuff. Boring day. Kind of a filler episode. No crazy life updates for you guys. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm tired. And I know these ones might be a bore. If we have any people that watch them regularly, you don't have to watch them regularly. You can just come and go as you please, you know? It's just, if everything else is going crazy in the world, just know that there's at least poems being consistently uploaded. You have that to think about. Hood down hair reveal for today. This is post shift. This is shift hair. Ooh. Oh. Still on this. Second read. Sally Rooney, don't mind if I do. Don't mind. I might just pick up the book a second time. Don't mind if I do. Sally, you're a great writer. I'm gonna read your book twice. Fucking sue me. Sue me and throw away the key. I'm gonna read your book twice. I just say we just put this one to sleep, guys, huh? Because this one needs to go to sleep. I always go to wrap it up, and I just I'm just like here sitting with you guys. It's a good peaceful moment. Let's do some framework. Bottom left. Bottom right. Top right. Top left. Yeah, I like that. It's like I'm taking up the whole frame. I don't know what the fuck this is it. Hope y'all enjoyed the poem. Much love. See you tomorrow.